ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላልተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላልተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ
From this we can generalize that. Given the sequence say an with first term a1 and common difference d then the n is term the n is general term is given by the formula. The formula say an is equals to a1 plus the nth term is equals to the first term plus the difference between a1 and 1 and n1 and say multiplied by common difference d. Don't forget, a1 is the first term and d is the common difference. N is the number of the given sequence. Say for example, if you bring the sequences here, if we bring this one, we can say this is the first part. The first here it is we can say 2, 5, and say 8, 11, 14. Next term such a way. Assume that this is the first term, which is equivalent to say a1, and this is say a2, and this one is a3, and this one is a4, and this one is we can say a5. We can tell by using the formula what will be the fifth terms of the sequence given. The first term is 2 and the common difference is 3 with common difference is equal to 3 here. So that a5 is equals to, so here n is 5 and a1 is 2, so which is 2 plus n is 5, number of the sequence, 5, so that here we can say 5 minus 1 times of common difference is 3. So this implies that a5 is exactly equals to 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times of 3. This implies that a5 is exactly equals to 2 plus 10, which equals to 14. From this, what will be plus, which is what will be the hundredth term of the sequence. Given a sequence like this, which is 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14 in such a way, what will be the hundredth terms of the given sequence? So we can determine here in such a way that by using the formula 100 equals to the first term a1, which is 2 plus n minus 1, n is 100 here, so here n is 100, so that's 100 minus 1 times of the common difference is 3 here. So this implies here 2 plus 99 times of 3. This equals to 2 plus, which is 3 times 9 is 27. 27, we have the 2, so it's 27 plus 2, 29. When you sum here, the sum is equal to 299. So the hundredth terms of the given arithmetic sequence is given by 200